Yes, this is homemade peanut butter, no additives, 100% natural, made easy in Roma's kitchen. Let's go.
Can't cook. Think you pay your pretty look. You want to live a restaurant and come done man bank book. Cook, recipe book.
So, of course, the main ingredient is peanut. So, I bought some peanut at the supermarket. If you have peanuts that are already roasted, then you wouldn't need to do this. So, I'm using about 2 cups of peanuts for this recipe. The amount of peanut that you use, it really doesn't matter because this recipe making peanut butter requires only 2 simple ingredients, peanut being the major ingredient. So you can add as much peanuts as you want, it really doesn't matter, but 2 cups of peanuts for me for this. So I'm adding them on the tray here on some parchment paper, and then I'm going to roast these, put these in the oven for 12 minutes at 175 degrees. And then 12 minutes later, it looks something like this. No, this is not burnt. This is perfectly fine. We have allowed the peanuts to release its natural oil. You can see some little oil stains like on the parchment paper. And that is what you want to see. When you touch this peanut, you should have some oil on your finger. So allow this to cool all the way down. Then you are going to separate the peanut from the trash. I just add the peanuts to my hand, kind of rub it together. Then I add it to the rack and rub it against the rack or shake the rack. And then the peanuts, they were separated from the trash or the red part of it, right? So once you have all that, you're going to add it to a food processor. You can use a blender, but a food processor is just perfect. You can use a NutriBullet or something of the sort. But once you add this to the food processor, you are going to blend a little by little, right? Because your food processor might just overheat, and this will take you a few minutes to do. So you blend it, it's coming together. Now you're going to think about the texture. If you like your peanut butter with chunks in it, then you won't blend for too long. And the longer you blend, the smoother it will become. So once you see it coming together like this, you know that, peanut butter is coming on pretty well. Now, sorry for this shaking, but this day I wasn't making the video really for YouTube, but I decided to add the video to YouTube to, show my YouTube fam. But anyways, after a few minutes, this is what it looks like. Remember to scrape the sides of your food processor. And then you are going to think about, how do you want your peanut butter? So I do not like things salty or anything, but tasting it at this point, I realized that it wanted some salt, right? So salt to taste, but not too much salt. If you are going to measure this, I would say less than 1/4 teaspoon of salt would be fine for this, right? I added pink Himalayan salt and this was so good, right? Now I'm going to blend this some more because at this point it was too thick, too chunky. The more you blend, the runnier it will become. So this is the texture right now. I absolutely love it right now. I could even go even smoother because I love my peanut butter smooth. I do not do chunky peanut butter. I mean, I have nothing against it, but I do not really like chunky peanut butter. Now guys, trust me, yes, it is this easy to make peanut butter. And you can just make your own peanut butter at home because there won't be, a lot of this and that in it. It will just be your natural thing. Only 2 ingredients, peanut butter, super simple, super simple to make. Made easy in Roma's kitchen. So this was the last of it. Last of me, blending this all together. I didn't add anything else in the peanut butter besides the peanuts and the salt. That was all it took to make peanut butter. Toasted peanuts and some salt to taste. I know some people add honey to their peanut butter, but I didn't want any honey in mine. This was just rich. It just had that strong peanut flavor. It was just perfect. And I had some right away with some green apples, and it was amazing. So this is it. Scrape the sides, bottle this as you so desire. I bottled some of mine. I used mine to make some energy balls, and I also had just peanut butter like that because I'm a huge fan of peanut butter. So healthy peanut butter, guys, made easy in Roma's kitchen. This is it. Yes, only 2 ingredients, nice and smooth. Remember, the more you blend, the creamier it will become. So you can bottle it up and add this to your store this in your refrigerator for however long you can or want to, but this won't last you over 2 weeks. I'm pretty sure of it. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Let me know what you think about the video in the comment section. Of course, if you like the video, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, share the video, subscribe to the channel, turn your post notifications on, and visit my website at romaskitchen.net for this and other great recipes. Until next video.